guys, June 7, 2024. This one here I got a call for no AC. So I don't know if I ever worked for the guy before, probably not. Maybe. A lot of these people call me, they got an old R22 system, it's a leaker, you know. We'll have to see what's happening over there. Depends on, if it's really low on gas, I won't add gas to it. Depends on the situation and, you know, how low it is it when I start it. If I put my gauges on it, there's 30 pounds of pressure, he's not gonna get no gas from me. I mean, if you start it up and run it and it drops down into the 30s, well, that's different. It's got gas in it, but if you go there and put your gauges on it and it's got 30 pounds without it even running, it's gonna just pull into a vacuum when it's started. Anyway, it might not be that, it might be something else. Let's not rush to judgment here. Let's see what's going on with it and make a decision at that time. I got R22 in the truck. He wants to pay it. He wants to pay the do-re-mi for the R22. The old do-re-mi, Molly. The old do-re-mi. Oh, I know where this guy lives now. These houses are all got all York units, York 410A units, I believe, or York 22 units. Micro channel bullshit. Oh yeah, the old micro channel. Yeehaw! Turned it on. He cleaned the filter. It's one of them washable ones. Oh, look at it. It's a flippin'. It's a piece of York. It's a pile of York. Micro channel. 410A. It's gonna be low. How low will you go? Feel there's no hot air coming out. Feel that?
I know, yeah.
That's not good. That's, I guarantee it's gonna be low. Yeah, these are known to be really an issue.
I've had it for 15 years more or less.
Boy, you got 15 years out of it.
Yeah.
You might have did all right, but
I didn't, you know, no problem.
Standing pressure now, 34 pounds. See it?
Yeah.
34 pounds
Yeah.
with it off. So that's really low. Should be like 130. So you lost all your juice.
Somewhere. Wouldn't it show any signs at all? Or would it?
It could be in here, or it could be outside, inside. I can get my sniffer and sniff for it, I mean. Yeah, so I'm gonna give that guy a price on changing the A coil out. He's got a furnace in the basement there, and a micro channel condenser. She's 15 years old, and them York coils are known to leak too. Seeing it's a micro channel system, them York coils were bad. You got 15 years out of it. I mean, you don't want to start throwing good money into that system, and it's you're not gonna last. I can reuse a line set. That's what I'm gonna do. Give him a price on changing it out. New condenser, a new A coil. He's got zone dampers down in the basement down here. And I'm not gonna touch any of that shit. I'm just gonna condenser and A coil. We blow the line set out, reuse the line set, and let it rip potato chip. You go like a. Give him a quote him a price later. I called in the stuff, and guy's gonna send me a quote over.
Turn right at the stop sign, then take the first left.
You go like a.